In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how I earn $22.50 in a single day by using a unique platform that rewards you with $20 to $40 for every YouTube video you like, absolutely free of charge. If you manage to like 100 YouTube videos daily, you could earn between $20 to $40 per 100 likes. The more videos you like, the more you earn. Let's dive in. Firstly, navigate to a website called AddMeFast.com. AddMeFast is a social media engagement exchange marketplace that allows us to like YouTube videos in exchange for points, which can be converted into real money. It's completely free, and you can get paid via Payoneer, PayPal, Payer, cryptocurrency, and many other methods. Take some time to scroll down and familiarize yourself with the website. To start earning on this website, all you need is a YouTube account. You don't need a large number of subscribers or videos, just a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, visit youtube.com and create a free account. Once done, return to the AddMeFast website. Before I guide you on how to start earning points and converting them into cash, let's create your account. Click on Try for Free now. Enter your email and password. Verify you're not a robot and click Sign Up. After signing up, check your email to verify your account. You'll receive an email like this one. Click on Click here to confirm and then log into your account. The home page might seem overwhelming with a lot of information, but don't worry. You can explore it later. For now, just follow my steps. As I mentioned earlier, you'll be collecting points by engaging with other social media accounts. This means you'll earn points for actions like following someone on Facebook, liking a Facebook post, or following someone on Twitch or Instagram. For this tutorial, we'll focus on YouTube likes, which is the easiest and potentially most profitable option. You'll be directed to a page where you can start earning points. As you can see, you'll get 4 points for liking a video. To start earning points by liking YouTube videos, click on Like and the YouTube video will open in a new tab. Go ahead and like the video. Remember, the more videos you like, the more points you earn. And the more money you make. You don't need to watch the entire video. Once you've liked it, return to the AddMeFast site. This method works globally and can be done on both a computer or smartphone. Remember, the more videos you like, the more points you accumulate, leading to more earnings. Consistency is key here. If you can dedicate a few minutes each day to liking YouTube videos on AddMeFast, you could earn a substantial amount each month. Now, let's proceed to the next step. By the way, if you're still following this video, I'd love to know which country you're tuning in from. For the next step, navigate to where it says Add Site Link. This will take us to a new page. Here, we'll be converting the points we've earned into Instagram followers, as I mentioned earlier. AddMeFast is a social media engagement platform where you can exchange your points for likes, views, and followers on various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Today, we'll focus on converting our points into Instagram followers, and I'll show you how we can monetize this in the next step. For instance, if you've collected 1,000 points by liking YouTube videos, that could get you approximately 2,500 Instagram followers. First, select Instagram followers from the options. Next, select Worldwide for countries, then enter your Instagram username. I recommend creating a new Instagram account for this purpose that you've never used before. Once you've done that, enter the username here. You can leave the total clicks and daily clicks options off. The cost per click (CPC) will be determined by the number of points you invest, which translates to a certain number of likes. After filling out all these details, click Save Changes. You'll receive a certain number of real Instagram followers, depending on the points you have. It's a simple and straightforward process. Now, let's move to the final and most crucial step, where I'll show you how to start earning money with this method. For this, we'll be using a website called PlayerUp.com. PlayerUp is a marketplace for social media accounts and engagements where you can buy and sell. You can trade Instagram accounts, YouTube accounts, Twitter accounts, and more. Our focus today is on selling Instagram accounts that we've grown using AddMeFast. Stay tuned till the end as I'll share some tips on how I use AddMeFast to earn up to 10,000 points per day, effortlessly. This could accelerate your earnings significantly. PlayerUp is a great platform for selling Instagram accounts at attractive prices to get started. Scroll up and click on Instagram accounts, buy and sell. This will take you to a new page. Click on Instagram accounts for sale. As you can see, people are selling Instagram accounts with varying numbers of followers at different prices. For instance, an account with 16,000 followers is being sold for $30. If you want to list your account, scroll to the top of the page and click Sign Up. Fill in your email address, select No for Do You Already Have an Account, and sign up. Don't forget to verify your email. Once done, you can start listing your accounts for free, just like others on the platform. To streamline the process, start by registering with AddMeFast.com and accumulate points by liking YouTube videos. Then, convert these points into Instagram followers. Finally, create a free account on PlayerUp.com and start selling your Instagram accounts. Remember, you're not limited to YouTube likes and Instagram followers. You can also earn points by engaging on other social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, etc. Similarly, you're not restricted to converting points into Instagram followers. You can also opt for Facebook, Twitter, and more. There are various types of social media accounts that you can sell on PlayerUp.com. However, I personally recommend Instagram and YouTube accounts. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.